Now having the X10, I don't have to leave my home. I can get up in the morning, look at the machine, get a little ugly look on it, and then pretty soon I'm on the machine working out. And it's lovely. It's lovely. I can do it in my own home, and I can't say enough about the X10 machine. Hi, I'm Mel, and I had a complete knee replacement 9 months ago. And in this time period, the pain never went away. And I had a full knee replacement. And that lasted about 9 months, and the pain was excruciating. The pain just kept getting worse and worse. Went to this surgeon in Detroit. The doctor was fantastic. Dr. Ference recommended this X10 machine, and I've been working out on that now for 4 weeks. You work on it every day. You do your exercises, because if you don't, your coach will be on your back. The machine has just taught me so much. I can see the numbers. I can see the numbers on it, what my progress is. I can't expand enough gratitude on that machine. When I had my first operation, I came back from the hospital. I had some medicine called Narco, a good 3 weeks of it, and the pain just never went away. After the first operation, I went to therapy. I had 22 sessions, and as the sessions progressed, the pain got worse. It just kept getting worse. And with the revision operation and the X10 machine, I was off of these opioids 4 days after I had my operation. So I've got to say that this X10 machine is just fantastic. Since I've had this machine, my muscles have come back in record time. It's phenomenal. I had no prior therapy or anything else, and during my recovery, I've only used the X10 machine. I've had no physical therapy in or out of the house. I've used this X10 exclusively. It's a very good machine. I recommend it highly. I had physical therapy on my first operation, and this lasted 9 months after. I wasn't in too good a shape yet, but in 3 weeks on this X10, it was phenomenal. My range of motion, I went from 0 to 130, which is maxed out. It's just, that X10 is just, it's just a phenomenal machine. I can't express enough for a little machine on all the work that it does. I love it, and I don't want to take it. I'm looking so forward to getting in that boat. Now that I can walk again, there is hope.